Birds come in 2 packages at San Francisco International Airport. Flesh and blood birds freely mingle with metal ones in the estuary. On this afternoon, 2 parallel runways are used for landings. Here, one plane is already on the ground, while the other is on final approach to a different runway. Here it looks like this bird and the plane land in parallel too. Finally, we get to see 2 planes line up perfectly, each landing on its own runway. It turns out that one is slightly faster than the other, and they play catch-up.